Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook spot shrimp. First, let's prepare them. Gently twist off the head, then peel the shell from the body, leaving the tail fan for a nice touch. Next, make a shallow cut along the back and carefully remove the dark vein. This ensures a clean, delicious bite every time. Proper preparation is key to unlocking their sweet flavor. Spot shrimp cook incredibly fast, so timing is crucial. For a quick sauté, use a hot pan with a tablespoon of butter or olive oil, cooking for just 1 to 2 minutes per side. Grilling takes slightly longer, about 2 to 3 minutes per side over medium-high heat. Alternatively, poaching in simmering water for 1 to 2 minutes yields a tender result. The goal is to cook them until they are just opaque. To truly elevate the flavor of your spot shrimp, simple enhancements are best. A sprinkle of sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice often suffice. For a richer taste, sauté them with a clove of minced garlic and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Finishing with fresh herbs like chopped parsley or chives adds a vibrant, aromatic touch that complements their natural sweetness beautifully. Once cooked, serve your spot shrimp immediately to enjoy their peak freshness and texture. They make a fantastic appetizer, perhaps with a zesty aioli or classic cocktail sauce. You can also integrate them into a light pasta dish, a vibrant salad, or even some gourmet tacos. A simple garnish of lemon wedges and fresh herbs adds a beautiful visual appeal, making your dish truly irresistible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.